Hey guys, it's Thomas here, and this is a quick walkthrough of my ultimate vision tracker organizer template for Notion. So, as you might know, the VTO is part of the EOS system, and it's basically one of the fundamental documents, which on one end are kind of static because it helps you to draw the company's vision and plan for the next few years. But it also features pretty dynamic components like goals that need to be sort of visible on a weekly or quarterly basis. So I've decided to put together a pretty simple template which helps you to organize all of this. And to give you a quick overview of the template, so basically it's composed of two sections. The first one, which is called Start Here, is really just a toolkit to help you understand the VTO if you're not familiar with it. So basically, in the toolkit page, you can see like each section described of how to fill it out and what are the questions to consider when you're filling it out. So this is really just a resource to help you to understand the VTO methodology. Then there is also a second resource which is really about tips and tricks to help you to get started and to help you to set up a successful VTO process. So this is really just two static resources which you can sort of like read through in the first place. And then in this continue here section is really where the template is valuable. So we have two things here. So first one is a filled out VTO example, which is pretty self-explanatory, but basically it's a filled out VTO to help you understand a bit better of how the end product looks like. So basically just going through the sections, core values, focus, target, etc. It's all basically done according to the EOS methodology, and this is what a filled out worksheet looks like. So that's again something that should help you to get you started or get you up on your or feet to create your VTO for your organization or your business. And this is really like the last section or the fourth page that is in the template, and that is a blank VTO worksheet. So basically, it's all prepped here for you. There are also some helpful sections here. For each of these sections, basically there's a small advice prompt which helps you again like to understand how to fill out the particular section according to the methodology. And yeah, this is it. This is where most of the work gets done. So as you can see, there are sections which are just to be filled out with a simple text, and there are sections like the quarterly KPIs or the yearly plan, where you can sort of fill in the items. You can assign statuses, you can assign responsible persons, etc., etc. So you can really pull in these dynamic tables, the same with issues, of course, into your meetings or into your review meetings on a quarterly or even weekly basis from this document. So that is really it. Maybe just two quick comments. This is, of course, a template for Notion, so that means it's highly adjustable. So you can adjust it to your specific needs. You can link this to other worksheets in Notion. Of course, you can pull in the data from here to other places as you need. And secondly, given again this is a Notion template, if you're using Notion, you can pull in people to collaborate on this, of course. So all in all, I think this is a pretty helpful resource. Yeah, it's kept pretty simple, so everyone can kind of like wrap their heads around it. But but yeah, that's it. And I really do hope that you find this resource helpful. And if you have any questions, comments, or any ideas on how to improve this, please don't hesitate to get in touch. And you can always download the template in the description of this video. So thank you very much for checking it out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you and have a great day.